Hi, first graders and first grade parents. Miss Pagan here. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to talk about what we are going to do for writing today. Today, students will be working on a personal narrative writing. A personal narrative is a story that students will write about something that actually happened to them, something that they actually experienced. So today, students are going to tell about their favorite day in first grade. So students should really think back over the course of the year and think about what was their favorite day that they had this year. It could have been a day where we had a really fun activity planned, like our field trip to the pumpkin patch, or our gingerbread house decorating party, or even our school's fun run that we had. So students should really take some time to think about what was their favorite day from first grade, from this school year. After they've thought about that day, they can then go ahead and take about 10 to 12 minutes to work on a picture from that day, making sure they include lots and lots of details in their picture, because that will help them when they get to do their writing, especially their detail sentences. After they've drawn their picture, they're going to be ready to do their topic sentence to introduce the topic to the reader. So they can choose from one of these three topic sentence starters. They can choose, let me tell you about. So students might say something like, let me tell you about the best day in first grade. They can choose the best day of first grade was, so they might say the best day of first grade was when we visited the pumpkin patch. Or they can choose blank was my favorite day this year. They might say decorating gingerbread houses was my favorite day this year. So students should go ahead and choose one topic sentence starter, make sure that they share it out loud with whoever they're working with, and then go ahead and write their topic sentence on the line. They should do their 4 quick checks when they're done, checking for a capital letter at the beginning, finger space in between each word, period at the end, and whisper reading to make sure it makes sense and that all their letters have been placed nicely on the line. After their topic sentence, they'll be ready to go on to their first detail. Now, students again should have been very thoughtful in thinking about that day and remembering all the specific details about what happened that day. So their first detail is going to describe what happened first on their favorite day. So they can choose from first, to start, to begin with, or first of all. So students again should make sure that they share their idea out loud, making sure that their sentence makes sense. And then they can go ahead and write their first detail after their topic sentence, making sure that they do their 4 quick checks when they're finished. So by the end of today, students should have a picture of their favorite day from first grade. They should have their topic sentence introducing their topic to the reader about their favorite day. And then they should also have their first detail sentence describing what happened first on that day. So if you have any other questions, you can reach out to me or your child's teacher, and happy writing.